Hi, world changers, history makers, pesetters. It's Keroy here, aka Mother Ego. How is everybody doing? Thank you for all the new subscribers and all the new messages I'm getting. I'm doing my best to respond to you as soon as possible. Well, I got this little story a while ago. If you're familiar with crabs, uh, you know, crabs, they have to travel upstream during their breeding season, and when they do that, many of them end up not making it to their destination because all the rivers flow downstream, and they choose to go upstream because they are going to wherever their destination is. And when I heard that story, I thought, why would anyone go against the current instead of going with the flow? So my question to you today is, are you going with the flow or are you going against the current? And what I mean is, they are universal laws that you have to be aware of. And if you are working with those universal laws, you will naturally be going with the flow versus going against the flow. And those universal laws are, for example, the law of gravity. Whatever goes up has to come down. You have to know that. Otherwise, if you misuse the law, we're going to find you at the bottom, and yeah, it won't be so good. So some of those universal laws are, of course, gravity is an easy one. We all know that. Seed time and harvest. Give and it shall be given back to you. Good measure, pressed down, running over. For every kind thing you do, it comes back multiplied. As a man thinks in his heart, so is he. So what are your thoughts? Your thoughts create your word. So these are universal laws. You have to know them, and you have to practice them. Otherwise, the laws are neutral. They won't go left or right. They'll just do what they do. So you either are flowing with the law or going against the law. And there is always consequences if you go against the law, the universal laws. So I hope that helps. Just remember, everything is a seed. So whatever you plant, if it's good, it will come out good. If it's not good, it will come out not good, and corrupt company will corrupt you also. So hang out with like minds, hang out with people who are going where you want to go. Otherwise, if they are negative, it will get on you. That's just the way the law works. It's neutral, Well, I hope you get some lessons out of it. As always, leave me a message if you want to join the mentorship club. We are having a good time over there. This is Keroy again, aka Mother Ego. Talk to you soon. Bye.